Okay, well, welcome back. It's been a little while since we've put a video out. We've had a number of people asking us, when are you doing more videos? So we're trying to get back into it now. Yeah, we had a bit of time off, quite a bit of time off. We went away because one of our daughters had a baby. It was her second baby. It's our fourth grandbaby. So that was very exciting and was really good just to hang out with them and support them and spend time with our family down the line. So yeah, that was part of the reason for our delaying and putting things out. But yeah, we're back into it now.
I know that that's not the only additions we've had. We've also got a couple of the two-legged variety that we've had join us.
Checking out their new surroundings. Rearing to get out.
Yeah, Charlie. Don't you go, my man? Yeah. Go, Delia. Very good.
Welcome to your new home.
Grab some pellets and try and feed them by hand.
Checking out the new house. 5-star accommodation. She's a little bit more hesitant.
I'm not sure they're going to get it. Yeah.
Yes, we've got 2 extras on the property. So besides our 2 kitty cats, we now have Chadley and Odelia with us. Yeah. They are living up by the Earthbag. They've got a lovely place to stay up there.
So Chadley, the rooster.
Yeah, and Odelia, the hen.
Yeah, Chadley loves to make lots of nice rooster noises first thing in the morning.
He does. I'm pretty sure I've got footage of him crowing away. Good. Good morning, Odelia. How are you, gorgeous girl? So yeah, we'll put some videos and photos of those 2 up. They're pretty beautiful critters. Checking things out, eh, mister? Yeah. Settle in. Not sure if they know how to use a feeder, so we'll just see how they go. So yeah, we had some time that we needed to spend clearing where we have them because it had been used as a garden area.
It was originally built as a garden with the possibility of having chickens in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Because when we first had chickens many years ago, they all died. They all got eaten.
They did. We had them fenced in, but in a big area, but they didn't have a cover over them. So
and the fencing was more for sheep and
yeah,
goats and things like that, rather than. So we think that other, like cats or
wild critters,
something.
Yep, hawks and things.
Yeah, they were under the forest, so it probably wasn't hawks. But if we are going to have chicks in the future, then the hawks will.
They need to be protected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they've got a dual purpose. I say enclosures. We've only got one at the moment. There's one enclosure that doubles as a garden as well as a chicken coop, and it's got a dog kennel that's being used as
We've
a roost.
Yep.
And I've made a nesting box, which they're not using at the moment.
They don't even use the roost unless it's raining. They like to stay outside.
That's right. They stay up on top of the roost.
Yeah. So in the past we've had like berry bushes, we've had blueberries and boysenberries and things in there. So we've removed those and replanted those elsewhere, which we'll talk about later. And cleared a whole lot of really, really tall grass from around the enclosure and inside the closure so that they have a good place to peck around in. So that was one of the things that we spent a bit of time doing in preparation for those guys.
Yeah, so in the future, the plan is to build a few more chicken/garden areas. And the one that they're in at the moment is not going to be a chicken area or a garden area.
We'll probably repurpose that material elsewhere.
And the land hopefully used for human activity rather than animal or garden activity. Yeah,
it'll be developed into something more useful for us, people who are living in that Earthbag house around that area.
Lord willing.
Amen. Yep. So we have plans to build more chicken garden areas in a different place in the future.
Very good.
Oh, excuse me.
So enjoy the footage about that, I'm guessing.
Yep.
And also we have moved some water pipes. Water is always an ongoing thing, I believe. So we've moved some water pipes. What was the story behind that?
Oh, well, we have plans for some of the clearing up the top. Then we wanted to get some earthworks done. We've got getting a digger person in to clear some area, and the pipes were really just on the edge of the clearing, so we really needed to move them out the way. So that was what we did.
Today we're tromping through our bush on our property. We're finding all our water piping. We need to redirect it. It's not very efficient at the moment. It's been used for lots of different things in the past, so just redirecting everything, making it more efficient for what we need right now. So you'll see a lot of footage of us redirecting, digging out pipes, and just generally walking through our beautiful native bush we have on our property.
Yes, so the water is it's very good here, and when we originally saw this place many years ago before we bought it, we noticed straight away that there was good access to water and springs and
streams and things. So so you've tapped into one of those springs.
Yeah, nice and high up there. I think we've probably shown a little bit of that before.
Yep.
And the water line that comes down from there used to have a number of different joins. We've simplified that, so it's got less, and it's also going through the bush area.
Yeah, we took it in maybe 10-20 metres, didn't we?
Yeah, so it's more of a direct line to where we are now, which saves a little bit of line as well. And we had a visitor with us. She came and accompanied us.
Hi.
While we were
came
doing
and hung out, didn't you? While we moved piping around and changed things around. So we've got some beautiful footage of our land and of the bush area, and us moving piping around.
Yeah. hose go?
Hi, Pebbles. I have to stand on this bit so it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah. Yep, there goes my, I'm going to lose my boot here.
If I dare and pull it through anymore because it'll get tangled.
I'm getting there.
So if you stay here, I'm going to go forward and I won't pull it yet. Follow this.
So you don't want me to let you pull it, right?
I won't be pulling it yet.
Okay.
I'll tell you when I'll be pulling it.
So we've got it going. There's our swamp.
Okay, I'll start pulling it now.
Yep. And do you want me to let you pull it or not?
I am pulling it.
Yeah, but why do you need me here?
Just to tell me when I've gotten to the part where it stops being tangled.
Yeah, it's all untangled.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll come back. Stay where you are. And also in preparation for doing earthbagging, which we hope to do more soon. That's one of the biggest reasons that we are spending more time here.
Yep.
We have moved all of the bags into one place. Originally, towards the end of last year, we moved the last of them. The last of them we had in our other place. We've moved them on to this place, but
we had them in about 3 different places, so we've kind of just put them all in one place. So that took a little bit of organising.
Yeah, and it's just a reminder, I think, to ourselves and to everybody else that we are still intending to get to the bags.
Yep. Yeah. So we had some down here, we had some on a trailer, and we've cleared out, changed around some things in the top cabin, and made a good space for the bags up there because they need to be out of the sunlight, so they need to be covered and all of that. So yeah, we spent a bit of time doing that.
Every time we want to do something up here, we've got to do a whole lot of work first. Like we wanted to come and just move some stuff from the lean-to up here into this top cabin, but we've had mice in here and they've eaten mattresses that we had in here. I just cleaned all this out a year ago for the working bee, and now we've got to kind of do it all again. Restack everything. This is an old caravan that we store stuff in. We've got bags stored down here as well, so we're moving them all up to the top cabin there.
Very good.
Yeah. until next time,
Yep,
we
Jesus
shall see you next time.
remains the Lord. They've always been very faithful to us, and
Definitely.
see you next time.
Yet I have set my King on my holy hill of Zion. I will declare the decree. The Lord has said to me, you are my son. Today I have begotten you. Ask of me and I will give you the nations for your inheritance, and the ends of the earth for your possession. You shall break them with a rod of iron. You shall dash them to pieces like a potter's vessel. The Lord has said to me, you are my son. Today I have begotten you. Ask of me and I will give you the nations for your inheritance, and the ends of the earth for your possession. Yet I have set my King on my holy hill of Zion. I will declare the decree. The Lord has said to me, you are my son. Today I have begotten you. Ask of me and I will give you the nations for your inheritance, and the ends of the earth for your possession.